Hi, this is Anna from UCF. We're here back on the ground of our final distribution of the day. We're just outside a town called Amismis. We're distributing here in this camp. We've got nappies for babies, milk for babies, we've got personal hygiene kits, soap, shampoo, toothpaste, toothbrushes. The villagers here also asked for some dry food items that we have also brought along with us today. All of these people have been displaced due to the earthquake. I'm in desperate need of these basic resources. Thank you to everyone at home that's donating. These people here are so grateful for all of your support. Please continue to donate and keep them in your prayers. Thank you.
All your donations, loads of it. This is the second round of the day.
Thank you, Monsieur.
Alhamdulillah. You see, you hear that, guys? Appreciation.
شكرا بزاف الله يرحم الوالدين بزاف 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 شكرا بزاف اميز شكرا
صابون